Video generation has come a long way. Remember when AI videos looked like weird dreams cooked up by a confused robot? Well, now they're actually starting to look pretty damn good if you pick the right tool to use. This time I'm here to review Invideo AI, which promises to make video creation ridiculously easy. I'm going to break down the pricing, the ease of use, and whether results are actually worth your time and money, plus I'll compare it to other popular AI tools. Let's find out if Invideo AI lives up to the hype or if it's just another flashy tool that overpromises and underdelivers. Now, most AI tools cost quite a fortune. So is Invideo expensive too? Well, I mean, it depends on how you look at it, right? Sure, there's a free plan, which might not be that bad if you just want to dip your toes in the water. You get up to 10 minutes of AI generated video per week, and you can export up to 4 videos, though they'll come with the Invideo logo watermark stamped all over them. You also get 10 gigabytes of storage and access to 2.5 million media assets, including stock footage, music, and more. I mean, it doesn't sound all that bad for $0. If you need more than that though, things start to cost, but how much depends on whether you go monthly or annually. Paying annually obviously saves you some cash, but either way, the pricing is not that low, to be honest. The higher tier plans unlock longer videos, more exports, and the option to ditch the watermark. But even those are limited in generative seconds. Plus and max plans give you only 1 minute of generated video content per week. Then any extra minute is another $8 with the annual plan, or 10 with the monthly. If you plan to generate much more than that, the generative plan might be a good idea. It gives you 15 minutes worth of credits instead of just 1, but has a steep price increase. Hey, but it also comes with this perk of being available for up to 1 user. Good that they pointed this out, just need to tell them that up to is 2 words. By the way, I left a link in the description so you can quickly check out the plans for yourself. Anyhow, the free plan is good for experimentation, but if you're aiming for more or just want your video to stop advertising in video, you'll have to test out one of the premium plans. Just be aware that there is no money-back guarantee of any kind or free trials for those plans. Well, technically there is a refund policy with one rather weird condition. If you use the subscription, you are not eligible to get a refund. So in other words, it's practically not existing, right? So after reviewing Invideo AI pricing, I need a point of comparison because, to be honest, I'm getting scammy vibes. Maybe there are more features that are hidden, though nah, it doesn't seem like it. So if we look at Invideo's Plus plan and compare it to HeyGen's Creator plan, not surprisingly, at least not to me, HeyGen comes out ahead. It's basically the same price and it offers way more flexibility, resources, and creative tools. Now you might be wondering why I'm specifically bringing up HeyGen. Well, I actually reviewed it a while back and it kind of blew my mind, but more on that later. Alright, so let's be real here. Not a great start for Invideo, but maybe it will save its face with amazing quality AI generated videos. So let's test it out by having a quick Invideo AI tutorial on how to create a video from a simple prompt. Maybe something with cats, summer, and a party. After typing in a prompt, you'll also need to select the style. Based on my prompt, I feel like animation would work nicely. Then there's also the video length. I'm going to go with 30 seconds. Lastly, pick a platform from these 3. Overall, the options that you can choose seem very limited. Yeah, I'm using the Invideo free plan, but it's the same process for the premium ones. In the next step, it offers me to get a plus or generative plan, but I proceed to go with stock media and live with the results. After roughly 3 minutes, Invideo text to video is generated, but wait, it's not 30 seconds long, and it's not an animation style either. Still, let's watch it and judge after. Pause so the video can be played a little.
Ready to paw tie? Let's dive into the cat summer party. Get ready for a positively fantastic time at the cat summer party.
Alright, the narrator's voice was the best thing about it. Other than that, it's a rather random iStock image compilation of cats. At least it could have picked animation style stock images, maybe? Overall, disappointed, but what you get can still be edited. You can insert your own media or replace the parts you didn't like with other stock images. You can also edit the script and tweak some other basic things like volume, transitions, or subtitles. If you remember, I promised to compare Invideo with another AI tool. That's HeyGen. First, it's important to note that this isn't exactly the same type of tool, but I'll compare their overall quality and overall approach so that you can see the difference between a truly professional AI tool and one that's Essentially a scam. Okay, so while Invideo leans more into traditional video editing with stock footage and templates, HeyGen specializes in creating video with AI avatars, and not just generic ones. You can pick from a diverse library of stock avatars or even generate your own custom avatar from a photo. Pretty neat if you ask me. What really sets HeyGen apart though is its realistic lip syncing, especially across multiple languages. It is surprisingly smooth and adds a sense of presence that you just don't get from stock footage. Plus, features like face swapping and turning regular photos into talking images make videos feel more alive than whatever Invideo whips up. The result is that the AI spokesperson in a HeyGen video actually feels like they're talking to you with a bit of simulated emotion to boot. It's not perfect, but it definitely brings a more human touch than what you would get from a montage of clips and voiceovers that you get with Invideo. Alright, so here's my verdict on Invideo AI. It's an okay tool to play around with for fun if you're new to video creation, just want to pump out short content fast, and don't really care that much about quality. That said, if you're looking for more value, more flexibility, and videos that actually leave an impression, HeyGen is easily better. Its AI avatars feel more lifelike, the features are more robust, and the end result is just much more satisfying and professional. If you want to check out HeyGen, I've got a review and tutorial on my channel, or you can go straight to their website through the link in the description. Now, in video, unless you're just practicing or cranking out quick promos, feels more like an example tool to avoid. Fun to try, but not the tool you build your content empire with. Okay, so if you enjoyed this really honest Invideo review and quick tutorial on how to make AI video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and let me know in the comments if there are any other AI video generator tools that you want me to review. I'll see you around.